Good evening and welcome. Just a quick one on reform, the political party reform. Has reform got what it takes to form the next government? The election is probably going to be in 2029. And can reform replace the Conservative Party? That's what it comes down to. Is the two-horse race of Labour and Conservative actually coming to an end? And will 2029 be significant and see a reform government? Third question, will reform be able to get out of the ECHR, the European Court of Human Rights, and other, as it would see, handicaps that will handicap its agenda? The European Court of Human Rights stymies the detention and deportation of illegal migrants, economic migrants in the main, into the UK and out of the UK. And will they be able to get that agenda through? Fourth question, is Nigel Farage a Jew baiter? And does it really matter? The Guardian and the BBC did a piece on Nigel Farage and his time at school when a number of ex-pupils at Dulwich College said that Nigel Farage abused them racially. And Nigel Farage has rebuffed that in the best way he knows how and said it was over 40 years ago. Look at the BBC's content, the black and white minstrel show then, using comedians like Les Dawson and so on and so forth. So he's reposted. I don't know the answer to this one, really, to be honest. Do I think Nigel Farage was somewhat racist to fellow pupils? Yeah, I probably think he was. But does it matter? Well, again, that's for debate. That's for what you think. I don't think it particularly matters now. I think if we think about what we've said in the past, as teenagers, we've all perhaps pushed it to the edge. I'm thinking it back as a teenager rather than as a man who is now in his early 60s. So we've got the Denton, finally, fifth question, Denton and Gorton by-election, a Labour stronghold, really. Will Labour hold it? Will Reform take it via Matt Goodwin, the Reform candidate? Can the Greens pull off a coup? So it's all to play for, really. I just wanted to put it out there, really, that Reform has done this quite an interesting increase in popularity. It's led the polls for over a year. Will it form the next government in 2029? May God bless you and may he keep you and make his face to shine upon you and give you peace. Amen. Okay. Bye-bye.